epic intro. Welcome to Streamlined with Eddie, episode 8. I know I'm pretty late. This is being uploaded very late for me. But I have to upload something. Tomorrow is the big fun. Tomorrow is gonna be a big video day. Then I have to film 2 parts. One is the New Year's special. One is the part 9. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quote-unquote dramatic intro. I'm gonna be using a Dutch Atlantic today, so yeah. Sit back and relax, because this is gonna be pretty fun. Now, I don't know if since last part, or since part 6, not 6, since part 5, I've actually realized this menu, so anything past part 5 actually includes this menu thingy, like, so it's always day. Because, like, I don't want to film when it's, like, pitch black. Well, let's make it here. Let's make it that. I like that. Now, the Dutch Atlantic is a game pass. You can sadly not obtain this logo in any other way. I think I'm gonna actually split this in 2 parts because this is a Doc Moiden run, and I'm not about to put another 25-minute video up. So this part will probably be 12 minutes and 12 and a half minutes. The rest will be its own video. But yeah. I'm just sort of scrolling. I have been chatting a bit with the people here. So yeah. If any person there on that in the chat, or just here, if any person here recognizes themselves, cool, you're on YouTube. Shout out to all of these. Epic. Jeez, just remembered. Yeah, this one is like, I think it's one of those snow piles. Like it just gets sunken in. Yeah, the screenshot, I'll put it up on the screen right now, but probably don't, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. Better trains but this time I don't got that. I'm about to switch music, don't worry lads, don't worry. I'm about to give a music swap. Actually, that was a bad idea, because I'm gonna have to run tender first this entire time. Oh well. So this part, I'm gonna, so I'm probably gonna end this part now at Kesteren. And then after this part, we go back and then do Wezingo, Voorlem, and then go back to Doc Moiden. So we'll stop at Hoover, Kester, and the next episode we'll do the other 2. The next episode will most likely come out tomorrow, because I have to edit this entire thing, and you know, tomorrow is what we like to call Sylvester. I don't know if this exists in other country, don't ask me, but we shoot off fireworks. So, yeah. I never graduated history. I haven't even graduated yet. But yeah, like I don't know why. I've never put my finger on that, or never. I think I was like maybe 6 when we ever talked about it in school. But you know, yeah, I guess that's cool. And I have to wait until, well, this lad with his train is clear. I've seen this engine. Like here. I've seen it before. Wait, I can't even proceed yet. Come on! Signal set. It's like when you're at the red line, you're like abracadabra, but then it doesn't work. Come on. Open. 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 Oh! Wait, is that my line though? Like that? I don't think that's my signal. No, because then it would be, then it would show on mine. Yeah, but what's blocking the path? Oh my god. God, no. Open! Oh, wait! Oh, I'm an idiot. That signals if you're going that way, but no, we're going up that way. Hey, there's Trent. Oh, wait, he wants to get in. I'll stop. I've been talking to him. But I think he's in. Sorry, we had a small delay. Past one of our most loyalist of locals had caught the train. I like to think every always sort of. Yeah, see? I knew it! That signal's going down that way, oh my goodness. We're not for that signal bonus. Trent would have surely, not caught service. Right, let me talk a bit to these people. And I need that cheddar. Trent, where are you? He just boarded my train, I think. He just boarded my train, I think. I just buy the War Department a bot. It's a bot. Getting train. Oh. Oh, NVM. I think we'll actually end this at using the. I am very hyped. I've read through the roadmap today, and I mean, I own a BR24. You can't really do that to me, but it's okay. I have Bubble. Bubble. Fucking Bubble. Wait. Fucking Bubble. Hopefully I didn't make editing any death. Death? I always say death, not death. Okay, let's stop here. One of our most loyalist of locals. That's not the train. I like to think every railway starts off like Thomas's branch line, then that's basically Thomas's branch line. It started as a railway, but then turned into a branch line. Like every railway starts like that. But now, the most loyalist of locals travel on the railway. Please don't tell me I overshot! Thought that was the end of the platform. Jesus, I just had a mini heart attack. Oh! Hey! We did it! Yo, that's pretty good! Yo, yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, let's change it. Wait, what if I change it to 20? Oh, that's just mad annoying. It's 11 to 43. 11:40p. Read. I have music. Credit to SA Music for all of the stuff. Yeah. Breaking the snow. Wrong cheese! There's a lot of cheese over the fridge goods. Talk. In this, I'm pretty sure full server. Yeah, this full server. I was actually on a... I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. But I was on his train earlier. Because what I like to do, as I've probably previously mentioned, I like to explore a bit and like just, that's why I run these fluxed like trains. Like these scattered trains. I like to give people like an experience of what if this was a real railway and like they just get on my train and like sit and like just watch the scenery. It's what you do on a real railway. Except, well, here you admire the locomotives. Wait, that's where you load cows? I never knew that. That's probably a really bad noise because I just hit my mic on my teeth. That's what that is. Probably heard it. You definitely heard that, I know. That echoed. Yes, I could have done this in a more powerful local. But you know, the title, I Drove a Dutch Atlantic, is just too good of a title. So yeah. As you just heard, I've decided, and as I've just decided on video actually, I'm gonna make this 2 parts so that it's split across episode 8 and 9. Because since this is a pretty long run. And yeah, then I have to go film the next part, which is gonna be the New Year special. But I'm gonna try for a certain locomotive, certain people. I'm gonna say, you know what? It's silly, deranged. You might know what it is. Deranged doesn't, so I'm gonna keep it surprised. I'm getting a WhatsApp message so much. Like, okay, I'm fucking curious now. Tell me. That's half of deranged WhatsApp messages are just okay. Dang it! Now he's probably gonna show up embarrassing stuff about me. Like, did you know Eddie used to overshoot so much in Streamlined? Did you know Eddie used to only use the 5,000 instead of the BR50? Did you know Eddie used to be broke in Streamlined? It's like, oh my goodness. And all of that was all pretty obvious though. Like, we all started somewhere in life and Streamlined. Oh, that's a BR50! I've seen it before. Hello BR50, you are now on YouTube, you are now famous. What's your number? BR50! Oh my! I think I've driven it before. Dang it, crap! I undershot! That's not how you spell baby. That is not how you spell baby. That's not something a lot different. Or maybe he means baby. Like a baby. Baby bee. Baby. Or bad. I'm not gonna pronounce that, or else I'm literally gonna make everyone deaf. Cause I want to pronounce it like in the slam go boy, like hello, celebrate chill, like that, but I can't. I can't because it's so late. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to cut down this video. Just go into the I mean, classmates, two classmates of the Dutch Atlantic. Dutch Atlantics everywhere, hiding in the trees. Baby. They're moving at 2 frames per second. It's like they're moving at like 2 frames per second. Something like 6. Like it's like anyways, this video is already long enough. I'm gonna continue this in part 2. See ya.